It's got a great cab, I know it like that. Yeah.
It's not no gauge. The single motor one.
Sound.
That's got a speaker fit.
Yeah.
No, 45's MD&HB, MSC 67's the grey one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind, yeah. That's the 47.
Can we leave at 10 because that's when it closes?
Because that's got basically the 00 version.
Because we're no rush to get it.
You model list it, don't you?
I used to.
I've got a few in NSC, the original NSC and the modified NSC.
Yeah.
Has that got condensing apparatus on the side? I think it has actually. Yes, it has. It's more prominent on some locations.
Dab a bit on, dab it on the train. Will it melt the train or will it take the paper off? Take the melt the paper and take away the plastic. I'll keep it like now the
He's got to know when to do it, I guess.
This is a
My best shots are at Keithley, definitely. And if the sun's right at Howard, you can catch stuff coming up the hill, and it looks so good. Or out the tunnel at Ingrow.
We got some good shots at Keithley, didn't we? We went to go.
Forest, the whole route. Mud everywhere, literally the whole way.
Loosen it, take it off these specially designed axles. But I realise myself now I've got to drive bang, 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 bang. It's very unsmooth. It'll be all now. It's very unsmooth.
Me from You going?
You in it,
What?
You in it, Again, it is in Norfolk and off like a 6 hour drive.
I mean, they're both nice blokes. I've met both of them. They're nice.
I feel bad for him. After having gone for all that he's done, they can go and shed him.
Unless you want to, in which case. Or we can just do a joint post, you know what I mean?
As in, like, the raw files.
Yeah, if you just send it. Wait, 1 second, let me ask my grandma sends me the photos I take.
You silly boy, what were you doing?
This will be the true test. 5 coats. Oh, you might stop at the corn pizza.
Make it so. Yeah, do you want to do it? Yeah. Put it to.
Like a 4 egg.
Fill it. Yeah, what size?
H's Railway videos. Met Tank, take 3.